Jungle.
Hi, welcome to Martinez Commons. I'm Nicole and I'm a third year here at UC Berkeley. I'm studying molecular environmental bio in the College of Natural Resources, and I want to show you around. I live here in a 2-story apartment at Martinez Commons with my roommates Samantha and Lisa, so welcome in. Hi, welcome to the entryway. Up here we have our restroom. There's 2 restrooms in the apartment, but here's the top one, and it has a toilet and a sink and a mirror. Now that we've taken a look at the entryway, let's follow me downstairs and take a better look at the apartment. So the first thing that you see once you cross over downstairs is our wonderful courtyard. I wake up to seeing it every day and it's a really nice view. A lot of people like to hang out over here, socialize, and sometimes there's events. And it's a really cool space to meet in. Welcome to the living room. This is where my roommates and I host a lot of people. We also study here a lot. You can see like some of our stuff is still here from studying. This is my roommate's books. It's really cool space to have. We sometimes host movie nights, we have dinners in here. There's a lot of studying that goes down here, but it's a really cool space to relax. I think a great thing about this space is that it's fully furnished. It comes with the couch and the different tables that you use to put stuff. Hi, welcome to the kitchen. I feel like this is the best spot in the apartment besides my room, because like it's pretty big and it's great for hosting like friends and having great dinners. On to more of the apartment. Over here is my roommate's room. It's really nice. The cool thing about my roommates is I actually didn't know them before I came here. I took a small test when I was applying for housing with all my preferences, and I got matched up with my roommates. I'm really happy with the living situation so far. I think I really love them. We're all really close friends and it was a great choice. So this is the second restroom. In addition, we also have a vanity over here. It's pretty useful in case somebody's taking a shower. Someone else can also get a head start on getting ready. So it's very convenient. I'm gonna take you to my room right now so you can get a better look. Welcome to my room. So I'm gonna give you a little breakdown of what it's like to live in the room with me. The one thing that I'd highlight about this room is really that there's a lot of space. I have room for a small TV over here, and I also put up some photos that I really like as well. So now we're gonna show you the rest of Martinez. Follow me. Hi, welcome to the Martinez Common area. There's a lot of study spaces and event spaces throughout the area. If you look down here, we have some couches and some desks where people study late at night and throughout the day. There's also a full kitchen in the back and a laundry unit, in addition to foosball and hockey tables, a couple lounges, and our outdoor area as well. So this is the mailroom. You can come here to get all your packages, and all the mail that you get delivered would come to this mailbox over here. Everybody shares a mailbox in your room, so all you need is your room key. Something that I would say is very unknown about this building is that it's very focused on being eco-friendly. A lot of the materials that they use are sourced from natural environments. They really do promote eco-friendliness in the light usage, so whenever you're not using a space, whether that be in your apartment or outside of your apartment, the lights will automatically turn off. There's water preservation built into the system of the whole complex, and additionally all around you you'll find different compost and recycling bins as well. This is our laundry room. There's lots of washers and dryers. It's unfortunately very loud, but we're gonna take a little peek inside. Welcome into our kitchenette. So this is our kitchenette for the main Martinez Commons. It has a fridge unit, has ice, it has lots of different places to store trash and recycle, in addition to a stove unit and an oven, microwave, even a coffee machine maker, hot water, anything that you would need to cook and clean within Martinez. The best thing that I think about this area is that it's open to all students, both living on apartments and dorm side, so you can get the experience of cooking no matter where you live in Martinez. So welcome to the Martinez Academic Center. A lot of students come here to study. Sometimes you don't want to study in your room or your living room, you just want to focus, so this is a great place to come. It has printing as well, and actually an extra study room in the back for more private studying. So this is the space where the RAs and the RDs have their offices. They're really, really integral to our community here. You can ask them if you need any resources, any help, any types of support. Welcome to the Martinez Fitness Center and Gym. It's really convenient if you want to work out over here. Sometimes it's hard to go to the RSF all the time or go to campus. So this is personally where I come to work out, either really late at night or really early in the morning. This is the Martinez Courtyard. A lot of people come here to study, hang out, or have a little getaway. There's lots of events on campus, and it's just a great place to relax and get away a little bit. Thank you for coming and taking a look at Martinez Commons, and I hope this gives you more context as to what the experience would be like.